Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok and Jain. I have already discussed theoretical part in basic electrical engineering on that is on magnetic circuit and electromagnetic induction from 1.1 to 1.10. Then I have developed these gate questions on this same topic BEE part 1. Clear? In this lecture, I am going to talk about the basic electrical engineering part 2, that is on the gate questions on magnetic circuit and electromagnetic induction. Here again, in this part, I am going to talk about the 25 MCQs. So all these part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, later on I will also develop few more, but each will contain 25 questions. This is for your uh, this will help you to face the gate examination as well as the competitive examination. Okay. So here question number 1, in Fleming's left hand rule the thumb indicates. Already in the last lecture I had discussed same question, it was there. Okay. So Fleming's left hand rule. Okay. What is Fleming's left hand rule? First finger indicates the field. Second finger indicates the direction of current. These are the two inputs. Then it will convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Thumb will show the direction of motion. So thumb indicates the direction of motion. Yes, direction of motion. B answer is correct. Clear? Fleming's left hand rule क्या है? It is used to convert that. It is used for motor. What is a motor? It is device which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. So क्या लगता है electrical energy चाहिए एक और कहाँ होनी चाहिए वो magnetic field में. So what are the two causes? Electrical current carrying conductor चाहिए and it should be placed in the magnetic field. So first finger indicates the magnetic field, second finger indicates the direction of current, then thumb will show the direction of motion. In the Fleming's left hand rule, question number 2, forefinger, that is the first finger, indicates the field, direction of lines of force. C answer is correct. Right? Henry is the unit of what? Inductance. Yes, C answer is correct. Henry is the unit of inductance. और inductance की unit क्या है? Henry. Resistance की unit क्या है? Ohm. Reactance की unit क्या है? Ohm. Capacitance की unit क्या है? Farad. Clear? So inductance का unit क्या है? Henry. Right? Okay. Question number 4. Yes, permeability of free space. In case of permeability, that is represented by mu, of free space or vacuum, mu are equal to 1. So mu 0, क्या होता है mu 0? 4 pi into 10 raised to power 7. Correct answer है ये, but this unit is wrong. What is the mu 0 का unit क्या है? 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7 Henry per meter. This is correct, but this is wrong. So I want Henry per meter also, and I want 10 raised to power 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. This is the correct answer, right? Mu 0 equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7 Henry per meter. That is the B answer is correct. 4 ka, right? Fifth, relative permeability for free space. We know mu r equal to 1. That is the correct answer. For the free space, mu r equal to 1, right? Reluctance S, question number 6, is given by S equal to what? Phi equal to what? Phi equal to होता है Ni upon S. Ni upon reluctance. So S equal to what? S equal to what? Ni upon phi. From here, S equal to Ni upon phi. Ni upon phi, right? Ampere turn. Ni unit ampere turn per Weber. Phi unit Weber, right? This is correct answer A. Okay. So question number 6 is A, right? Okay. Question number 7. Magnetic flux can pass through air, correct answer. Glass, correct answer. Wood, correct answer. So flux can pass through any of the above, right? So it can pass through air also, glass also, wood also. These are called as non-magnetic material. All. इसका मतलब what is the correct answer? D. In case of magnetic flux, there is no insulator. There is no insulator. In case of current, एयर इज ए इंसुलेटर, ग्लास इज ए इंसुलेटर, वुड इज ए इंसुलेटर. अगर ये कुछ बीच में आ गया सर्किट में तो करंट विल नॉट फ्लो, बट ऐसा मैग्नेटिक सर्किट में नहीं है. दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैग्नेटिक एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट. सो everywhere it can pass. Which of the following related to magnetic circuit? Which of the following is related to the magnetic circuit? A. Reluctance. Yes, this is the quantity of magnetic circuit. Permeance is also a magnetic circuit की quantity है. Permeability is also, इसका मतलब है that is the correct answer. What is the correct answer? D. All of above. Which of the following related to magnetic circuit? Right. Next 9. Mutual induced EMF E2 equal to M di1 by dt. Right. That is M E equal to M di by dt. तो यहाँ I2 होता तो wrong हो जाता. Because of I1, because of current in the first coil, EMF is inducing the second coil. This is correct. A. Clear? E2 equal to I, wrong. I dm wrong है. E2 equal to di2 by dt. E2 equal to di2 by dt. E2 मतलब ये होता self, but यहाँ L आ जाता. So this is also wrong. dm, it is not a correct. First one is correct. M equal to E equal to M di by dt. E equal to what? M di by dt. That is a formula number. और माइनस साइन क्या है? अकॉर्डिंग टू लेंजेस लॉ, whatever the EMF induced, it opposes the cause. So minus sign, right? A. Expression for the mutual inductance M is M equal to N1 into N2 upon S. Yes, this is the correct formula. M equal to second definition of mutual inductance N1 into N2 upon S. What is the second definition of self inductance? N square upon S. राइट. यहाँ n स्क्वायर के बदले n1 इंटू n2 दोनों आ जाएगा तो m आ जाएगा म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस. हेनरी इज h. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट फार्मूला ए. n1 इंटू n2 अपॉन s. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 11. एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एग्जिस्ट अराउंड. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कहाँ होगा? कॉपर में. It is non-magnetic material. Aluminum, it is non-magnetic material. Moving charge, electrostatics. No. Iron, yes, it is a magnetic material. So what is the answer? Sorry. Answer क्या है 11 का? A. Magnetic field exists around the iron. Right? Question number 12. Two conductors of a transmission line carry equal current I in opposite direction. The force on each conductor is proportional to I square. Proportional to I. एक current नहीं है. It is two conductors in transmission line carry equal current I and I. Both are carrying equal current I. So it is proportional to I square. Correct answer है. Proportional to the distance between conductor. It is inversely proportional to. No. So it is B. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. Question number 13 का क्या है? 13 का B. Right? Question number 12 नहीं डिस्कस किया क्या? Yes. Question number 12. The direction of magnetic lines of force is. Direction of magnetic lines of force is south pole to north pole. No. One end of the magnet to another end. No. Correct, but it is not a specific. Yes, from north to south pole. That is the correct answer. C. From always the magnetic lines of force leaves the north pole and enters at the south pole external. So from north pole to south pole. Okay, so I have discussed 13 questions. I'm typing it. Okay, question number 14. Fleming's left hand rule is used to find. Fleming's left hand rule क्या देता है? It is used for motor. Fleming's right hand rule होता तो it is applicable for generator. So Fleming's left hand rule is applicable to motor, right? Find direction. Motor मतलब it will give the direction of motion. So direction of magnetic field, no. Direction of flux, no. Direction of force, yes. Direction of force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Okay, so that is the result. Direction of force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Question number 15, right? The left hand rule is correlates to Fleming's left hand rule correlates to current, correct? No, it is not EMF induced. Magnetic field, correct? Electric field कहाँ आएगा इसमें? नो, फील्ड नहीं. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड करंट होता तो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट होता तो चलता. डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स करेक्ट, बट दिस बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन इट इज रॉन्ग. थर्ड, सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस, नो, because of this wrong. Mutual inductance, it is not a self and mutual inductance. Fourth, current correct, magnetic field correct, direction of force correct. So that is the D answer is correct. So left hand rule is correlates the current, magnetic field and direction of force. Okay, question number 15. Question number 15 हो गया ना? Question number 16, right? So I'm going to talk about question number 16. What is question number 16? Which of the following units of magnetic flux? Flux का unit क्या है? Flux का unit, sorry. 16. Which of the following units of magnetic flux density? Flux density का unit है Tesla. That is the correct answer. 16 is the Tesla. अगर यहाँ magnetic flux होता तो Weber हो जाता, right? Question number 17. The change of cross-sectional area of the conductor in a magnetic field will affect. Change of the cross-sectional area of the reluctance of the conductor. Yes, reluctance. S equal to what? S equal to what? L upon mu0 mu r A. So if you change the area, S will change. Correct. Okay. Resistance of the conductor. Yes, resistance equal to what? Resistance of conductor equal to what? R equal to rho L by A. Change of cross-section area of conductor in a magnetic field will affect resistance of conductor, right? That is also correct. So C क्या A and B both. Yes, that is the correct answer. A and B both. Okay. Question number 18. Which part of the magnetic flux requires largest MMF? Air gap. क्योंकि ये already in part 1 I had discussed which part of the magnetic path requires largest MMF. MMF equal to, okay, so air gap में mu r equal to 1. Clear? Coil inductance core नहीं. Air gap, air में mu r is 1, that is the minimum value. So obviously I have already discussed this question in unit number 1. Okay, so air gap. Question number 19. Okay, question number 19. What is the question? An air gap is usually inserted in a magnetic circuit to. Air gap is usually inserted in a magnetic circuit to increase the MMF. एयर गैप बढ़ाने से MMF बढ़ता है, करेक्ट है. Increase the, but we are not providing air gap to increase the MMF. MMF increase कब होगा? MMF क्या होता है? NI. इसका मतलब obviously it will draw more current because in flux equal to what? I am going to discuss this part here. Okay, flux equal to what? NI upon S. NI upon S. और S इक्वल टू होता है NI अपॉन S. क्या होता है? L अपॉन म्यू 0 म्यू R A, राइट. दैट इज द S. अगर आपने एयर गैप बढ़ा दिया, L will increase. Clear? So flux will decrease, but for flux will always be constant. Flux will not be changed. In any machine or anywhere, flux will be constant. Flux constant होने के लिए क्या होगा? If you increase the L, obviously motor will draw or equipment will draw more current. Motor will draw more current. Yeah, circuit will draw more current to keep the flux constant. So, are you providing the air gap for increasing the MMF? No, that is not a correct answer. ये तो कम से कम रखना है हमको. क्योंकि आई अगर दिस इज मिनिमम सो ऑब्वियसली आई विल बी मिनिमम. फिर इंक्रीज द फ्लक्स, फ्लक्स विल ऑलवेज बी कांस्टेंट. अगर आप ए बढ़ाएंगे तो क्या होगा? फ्लक्स विल, ये बढ़ेगा तो फ्लक्स कम हो जाएगा. क्लियर ना? तो ये रॉन्ग आंसर है. थर्ड क्या है? प्रिवेंट द सैचुरेशन. यस, दैट इज अ करेक्ट आंसर. अगर आप सैचुरेशन लेवल के ऊपर गया तो कोर विल बी हीटेड. दैट इज नॉट ए गुड थिंग. सो अगर आपको इसको अवॉइड करना है तो हम एयर गैप डाल दो तो क्या होगा? कोर विल नॉट बी प्रिवेंट द सैचुरेशन. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर, राइट. इन इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन्स laminated cores are used to decrease the eddy current loss. Yes, laminations. ये why do we use the laminated core to reduce the eddy current loss? We will discuss. Already have discussed this in transformer, in machines. We will discuss this here on basic electrical engineering also. We will discuss what is the purpose of laminated core to reduce the eddy current loss, right? Question number 21. The property of a coil by which a counter EMF is induced in it. Property of a coil due to which an EMF induced in it when the current through the coil changes is known as self-inductance. Yes, that is the correct answer. Property of the coil due to which EMF is induced due to the change of current through it. It is called as self-inductance, right? So question number 21, self-inductance. I'm rubbing it. Question number 22. As per the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, an EMF is induced in a conductor whenever it. Question number 22. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, an EMF is induced in a conductor whenever it lies perpendicular to the magnetic field. Flux lies in a magnetic field. इससे कुछ नहीं होता है, EMF इंड्यूस होगा बट चेंज करना है इसको. ओके, फिर cuts the magnetic flux. Yes, that is the correct answer. As per the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, an EMF is induced in a conductor whenever it cuts the magnetic flux. Whenever the flux will be cut down, changing amount of flux will link with the coil, and according to Faraday's law, EMF will be induced. Okay, question number 23. Which of the following circuit element stores energy in a electromagnetic field? Yes, electromagnetic field में कौन सा पार्ट स्टोर करता है? इंडक्टेंस. कैपेसिटेंस कहाँ स्टोर करता है? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फील्ड में. Resistance is not an energy storage device. It is an energy consuming device. Resistance. Okay. So it is an energy consuming device. It stores the energy in terms of voltage 1 by 2 CV square. It will store the energy in a electromagnetic field 1 by 2 Li square. 23 का A. 24. An open coil has जीरो रेजिस्टेंस, ओपन कॉइल अगर है तो करंट आई इक्वल टू व्हाट, जीरो होने चाहिए। ओपन कॉइल है तो करंट जीरो होना चाहिए, और आई इक्वल टू क्या होता है, वी अपॉन आर। पहला आंसर है जीरो, रेजिस्टेंस जीरो होगा तो क्या होगा, समथिंग अपॉन जीरो इज इनफाइनाइट करंट हो जाएगा। नो, दैट इज ए रॉन्ग। इनफाइनाइट रेजिस्टेंस, ओके दिस इज करेक्ट। अगर रेजिस्टेंस इनफाइनाइट है, इनफाइनाइट है तो समथिंग अपॉन इनफाइनाइट जीरो, इनफाइनाइट रेजिस्टेंस एंड जीरो इंडक्टेंस, that is open coil. Open coil has infinite resistance and zero resistance. Yes, correct. Zero inductance. Okay, zero inductance. Okay, clear? Okay. Infinite resistance and normal inductance. Zero resistance and high inductance. So B correct. B is the correct answer. Zero resistance means infinite. Sorry, open coil has infinite resistance. Okay. Next, 25. I'm loving it. 25. Last question. 25. A solenoid of 100 centimeter is wound on a brass tube. If the current through the coil is 0.5 ampere, the number of turns necessary to over the solenoid to produce a flux strength of 500 ampere turns per meter at the center of the coil is. Okay, so H is given, I is given, L is given. So N is, they are asking N. So H equal to what? H equal to what? N I by L. H equal to Ni upon L. Right now? So N equal to what? H HL. H equal to what? H into L upon I. Okay. So this is 500. H is given 500. I is given 0.5 ampere upon length is given 100 centimeter means 1 meter. So to 500 into 0.5. Sorry, HL. This is given 1 and this is given 0.5. So you will get 500 upon 0.5, 1000 ampere turns. That is B correct answer, right? So thank you. So I'm going to rub it. These are the correct answers. Answer sheet is given. Thank you very much for listening me carefully.